mud is tricky. I need my special wheels.
Time for action, trusty friend! Almost got it. Looks like we made it just in time. Wow, how are we gonna get him out of there? Gotcha! Free at last! You're a messy one! Fine. I saved the piglet.
But I helped with the chase.
You're it, Bandit! Not for long, Max. All right, Ducky. Big day today.
Gotta be perfect for harvest.
To the rice fields, Ducky.
Careful, careful. Almost.
Farmer's hard work. My easy meal. Hard work, Ducky. Let's finish strong. Almost there. Just a little more here. Got it. Huh? Huh?
My rice! Someone's been here!
Not on my farm. You don't.
Too slow, farmer.
There! You bandit! Come back here with my rice!
He's fast.
This way, you rascal.
Almost lost him.
Good job.
Whoa! Mud. Stuck. Help!
Looks like someone needs a bath. Quack, quack.
I will get you next time, farmer.
Better luck next time, Rico. This isn't over. Good job, Ducky, my little detective. Back to work! Rice won't harvest itself.
Smooth sailing now, Ducky.
Look at all this! A good harvest! Home sweet home, Ducky. Safe and sound. That's how a monkey farmer gets it done. Ah, what a beautiful morning, Pipsqueak!
Easy there, little helper. Don't drink it all.
Where's Bouncy gone to? Bouncy. Oh no! My poor Bouncy!
Just a little more. Come on, Paw. The digger. Of course. Of course.
All right, Bouncy, Max is coming!
Okay, Pipsqueak, easy does it. We have to be very careful near the edge.
Almost there.
Don't worry, Bouncy, we'll get you out.
Whoops! Steady, Max, steady!
Grrr, this root! So...
Don't worry, Bouncy. We're almost there. Just a little more.
You're free, Bouncy! You're free!
My little adventurers, safe and sound.
Ta-da! We got her out! Good job, old friend. Good job. A farmer's work is never done, but it's worth it. We're a team, always.
Where is Daisy? She should be here by now. I'm getting worried.
The drain tunnel. That's where she must be. Chirp, chirp, chirp.
That sound, it's Daisy. We have to get her out of there now. Daisy! We're coming!
Hang in there, Daisy. Don't move. I'm coming for you. Ha ha! The excavator! Of course!
Okay, easy now.
We're coming for you, Daisy. Just a little bit more to the left. Just a little deeper. Hang on, Daisy, we're coming. Easy now. Thanks, Pippin. Don't worry, Daisy. We're coming for you.
Okay, easy now. We're getting you out of there, don't you worry. Just another inch.
This should clear the way. Hang on, Daisy, we're coming.
Almost there, Daisy. Hold on tight. Come on, you're safe now.
Almost there, Daisy. Just a little more space.
Come on, Daisy, keep coming. You're almost here. Push, push.
Oh, thank goodness. You're safe now, Daisy. We got you out.
Let's just check here. Looks good. You're all right, Daisy. You're safe now.
Home sweet home, little ones. All safe now. My wonderful, adventurous family.
Good night, my little farm. Whee! You can't catch me, Ducky.
What's that over there?
Oh no! Little one! Too far! Can't reach.
Quack, quack, quack. Come on, Ducky. We need to hurry.
This one moves here. Yes.
Vroom! We're ready!
Steady, steady.
Almost there. Precision.
Easy, almost there.
Don't worry, little friend. Just a little. Perfect.
Close call. You're okay.
There, almost done.
go, little one. Whew! Mission accomplished.
Quack, quack, quack.
A safe home over there. New home for our friend.
Just like this, a perfect spot.
Soft and warm for our friend.
Quack, quack, quack. Come on, it's safe. Good night, little friend.
Good job, Ducky.
Good job.